Hey there everybody, how are you all doing? I'm Leon and welcome to another video. I produce content every day focused around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if those are your interests, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. So today I'm going to be showing you how to edit videos on iOS and Android with a free video editing app called. So today I'm going to be showing you how to edit videos on iOS and Android with a free mobile video editor called Filmr. Now if you don't know what Filmr is, obviously it's a video editing app that is actually from InVideo. So without any further hesitation, let's begin the video. Alright everybody, so I've loaded up Filmr and essentially you can choose between your camera roll or camera, so you can record from the actual app, which is quite cool in my opinion. And essentially just, well, find what you want to use and import. And as you can see, they've got a pro version, so it's yearly, £30 a year, or weekly, which is £4. So you know, there we are. So it's loaded us into the editing interface or the project, and essentially we got between this stuff. So you can add transitions, and again the transitions, crop the video as well. You can add a voiceover, music, which I think is the first thing we're going to be doing. You can add overlays and yeah, so let's just have a look at what we're dealing with. Looks like we're about to start there, so oh my god. About 4 seconds and it looks like I'm talking. As you can see, you can add your speed. What is it? Filters, which I think is the first thing we're doing. Where's this? There we are, split. There. And hold on, it's cutting. This is what this is. Right, so that's the original clip we had. So we delete. So let's have a look now.
Alright everybody, so this is Filmr, so first thing I want you to do, Leon, is add a filter.
There we are, some filters. Okay. So look at what we can do. So as you can see, it's got this stuff. Not my type of let's have a look. Vibrant. One thing I'll say is every 20 seconds or minute they just keep recommending you this fucking pro version, which is a bit annoying. Stop fucking promoting it. So look at some of this stuff. Rainbow. Do they have an RGB type of thing? That would be pretty cool. Radioactive. My number one favourite song, by the way. I think we'll just have to go. I'm not really impressed with. Right, that'll be that. That's good enough, I guess. Right. There we are. So let's have a look now.
Alright everybody, so this is Filmr, so first thing I want you to do, Leon, is add a filter before we do anything else. And now what I want you to do is add a basically.
Well, I'm asking. What?
So this is Filmr, so first thing I want you to do, Leon, is add a filter before we do anything else. And now what I want you to do is add a
So subscribe. Not impressed. Okay, so that'll have to do at this point. Blue, no, white. There we are. Really, you gotta make your fucking presence really loud, don't you? We all know you're awake. Yeah, so you can actually you can increase the size by dragging it with your thumbs, I guess. What? So there we are. That's hold on.
So first thing I want you to do, Leon, is add a filter before we do anything else. And now what I want you to do is add a basically somewhere on the screen.
There we go. That's good enough. Right. Video.
Subscribe below a third, and I just put some words there saying subscribe, and turn on notifications as well. So put that down there as well.
I'm not impressed this edit at the moment. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm not impressed with this editor. I'm already wanting to stop this video, but again. Fucking hell, gonna make your fucking presents on you. Even more fucking reason to feel miserable. Fuck. But apparently I'm the problem.
So put that down there as well. Which you guys watching, please do
There we are. Yeah, do as I said there, subscribe, notifications are turned on if you're interested in this type of content. And, yeah, help, a fellow entrepreneur out, I guess.
or anything, or feedback about this, and
There we are. Practically nearly the same fucking size.
And if there aren't any shitty music choices on you.
At this point, hold on. Music, let's have a look what they got. Music. So, we got all sorts of genres, so happy, angry, chasing. I want to find something that, I don't know, just laid back. Let's have a listen. That's definitely not the fucking one I want. That is, nope. Relaxing, okay. They're all fucking. me. I'm not impressed. Epidemic sound. I'm definitely not. No, fuck that. They're not even instrumentals.
Somewhat much better.
Just do it again. Do it again. It has a split. Oh fuck.
Alright. Everybody, so this is Filmr, so first thing I'll do
What
is
the fuck? Alright, so I'm just gonna fucking render it now. So you can save it, you can actually make a GIF of it as well, or shit, so just share it to all social media platforms. But I'm gonna click save. Project as pro features. Oh shit. Fine. There we are. So you can choose a resolution up to 4K, and you can obviously choose 60 frames per second, but for this it's just going to be 1080p and 30 frames per second. And to be fair, it has a very nice rendering sort of speed, I guess. So just wait for it to basically render. Alright, so the video has been rendered, so let's have a look at what I've created.
Alright everybody, so this is Filmr, so first thing I'll do Leon is add a filter before we do anything else.
That went well.
And now what I want you to do is add a basically somewhere on the screen, add a subscribe below a third, and or just put some words there saying subscribe. And turn on notifications as well, so put that down there as well. Which you guys watching, please do those things now. And if you have any questions or anything or feedback about this, then leave them down below, or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. And if there aren't any shitty music choices on this actual app, then be sure to go for some music to make the video somewhat much better. Alright, so that's basically it.
Yes, that's basically it for that one. Alright everybody, so that's it for how to edit videos on iOS and Android with Filmr. If this video is of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more content. Give the video a thumbs up and share it to help it rank in search results and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or feedback, then please don't hesitate to leave them down below, or leave me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Take care everybody.